welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be recreating Amber Shawl's makeup look. She is queen. She's so extra, and if you haven't watched her videos or maybe are not subscribed to her channel, then you should definitely go and do it. She has over 1.5 million subscribers on YouTube and she is gorgeous and such a sweetheart. I just absolutely love her. But coming back to the point of this video, as you guys know that this challenge has been going around for a while now. So I thought of doing my take on this, and the reason why I picked Amber Shawl is because she herself calls her makeup tutorials as unprofessional tutorials, because she is not the best to look up to when it comes to makeup. But that is exactly the case when it comes to me. So that is why I thought of trying out her look, and she's really extra when it comes to her makeup or outfits or anything in general. She's just so extra, and I'm very subtle with my style and very basic and natural. So I thought this would be a great idea, and I'm just really excited to see how it comes out. So the video that I picked up is a very extra get ready with me video, and she does her hair and makeup and also picks outfit for her day. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be dressing up like her, and also actually this is something that I wanted to do for a while now, and I did not want to make a separate video about it, so I'm going to be including it here, which is I'm going to be curling my hair with the help of straws. Her video was sponsored by some Foxy named company, and she also curled her hair, so I thought, why not curl my hair right in this video? So this video is going to be super long, I guess, but I'm going to be fast forwarding it. So I think let's just not waste any more time and just dive into the video. I don't have similar products as she does, so I'm going to be using my products, and I don't think that even matters because I don't know. So firstly, she is applying her primer. Yes, I have the video right here. So she is applying her primer, and I'm going to be doing the same thing, and I am using my Lakme 925 Infallible Mattifying Primer. Now on to the foundation, and the foundation that I'll be using is my good old trusty Maybelline's Dream Satin Skin with SPF 24. And surprisingly, I'm going to be using my beauty blender for that today. Now on to the concealer. She just applies her concealer here, and that too for the first time in this video. But I'm going to be doing as I do, like on the trouble areas. And now I'm going to be blending it with my sponge. I know this is not the best setup for makeup tutorials, but as you guys know, it is not a makeup tutorial. It's just me trying out Amber Shawl's look, so bear with me. Now I'm going to move on to the next step, that is contouring, and I am going to be using my V-Face Duo Stick because I'm not in a mood to use my palette, so that's why. Now on to some powders. She applies two powders. First one is the compact and the second one is the translucent powder that I don't have, so I'm just going to stick to the compact. And for that I'm going to be using my Lakme 925 Flawless Matte Complexion Compact. Okay, now she's making her face, so I'm going to be using a baby powder for that. So now I'm going to bronze my face while this thing bakes. I am pretty sure that I did it the wrong way, but let's just deal with me. And now on to her favorite part, that's highlighting. So I'm going to be using my Duo Stick and my highlighter palette as well because she is extra AF and I need to get that extra glow. So I'm just going to apply it everywhere that I need to, and I'll just blend it with my beauty blender. okay, not that bad. I feel good. And now she's taking a break and then doing her hair, and that's what we're gonna do. Now my hair, I just washed my hair before starting to film this video, so my hair is really damp right now, or if it isn't, I'm gonna spray some water on it. And now I'm gonna be trying out the straw trick to curl your hair. So let's just start. Do I need to watch another tutorial on how to do it? Yes. All you have to do is just twist your hair around the straw as tight as you can, and when you're left with no hair, just do this. But we're first straw down. Now let's just do the fast motion thingy. And did I tell you that you have to do a middle parting before starting to curl your hair? That I didn't do. No worries, I'll part my hair now. And then we'll start to do the second strand. I don't know how these YouTubers do this in front of camera or in general in life. It's just so difficult. And they also make it look very easy. The curls better be good, huh? Now I know why the curling irons were invented at the first place. Just to make this process easy.
Moments later.
I'm so sorry, my battery died and I thought of charging my battery and then doing all of this off camera because this wasn't actually included in the tutorial. So it took me about 2.5 hours to do all of this, and it's finally done now, and I'm very tired. My hands hurt like anything, and now I'm gonna continue doing my makeup. So she's just going ahead with a brown eyeshadow for the cut crease. Yes, I know all of that, but I just don't know how to do it. I can't believe I tried to experiment two things at once. She also puts the same eyeshadow under her waterline, so I'm gonna do that. So now she's applying a really glittery but bronzy kind of color on her eyelids. So that's what I'm gonna do, and for that I'm gonna be using this Miss Claire eyeshadow palette. So just like Amber, I'm gonna apply my eyeliner really quickly, and I can't do it like this, so I'm gonna look into the mirror and apply it and then show it to you.
Just then.
I don't know why is this happening to me. The camera went off again, and meanwhile I just did my brows just like her. She just filled in her brows with Anastasia brow thingy, and I did mine with the Maybelline's Nudes palette. And now she is applying her fake eyelashes on, although she has her eyelash extensions on, but she's extra like that and I love it. But I can't because I've tried a million times to put on fake eyelashes, but I just failed miserably at it, so I'm not going to do that. I'll just apply my mascara, which is this Lakme 9 to 5 waterproof mascara. So I'm just gonna apply that. I think I'm done with this, but I'm just gonna quickly curl my lashes with this Vega eyelash curler. Now she's just applying her lipstick or the lip liner, and her shade is mauve, and that's what the shade that I use on an everyday basis, the Colourpop one. So I'm gonna quickly apply my lipstick now. So I think that's it for my makeup, and now I'm gonna move on to my hair again, and I'm just gonna open every freaking straw that I have on my head. So let's just do that. Oh my god, they look adorable. This looks so nice. I'm freaking out right now. You should use a clutcher to hold the rest of your hair, and also start curling your hair from the bottom part, then gradually moving upwards, because that's more convenient and easy. So this is what my hair looks like, and I'm just gonna run my fingers through it so that I get that volume. Oh my god! I am absolutely loving my curly hair and they just look amazing. I don't know, I again feel like that I could have done better, but this is the final product and I love it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like it, and if you did, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such fun stupid things, and don't forget to click the bell icon next to it to get notified every time I upload a video. And before I tell you bye, I want to ask you, what do you think about this look? Please leave a comment down below, and if you guys want more such makeup or hair related videos, then also let me know. Bye!
Montage.
And this channel. Hi guys, I'm Pasta. Unprofessional makeup tutorials. She has her video. So I think let's just not wait. Flawless matte compact pack. I don't know what's baking. I don't know what's bonding. I'm gonna make Ishu do this for me for sure. Very, very soon. At least I can get wavy hair after doing this. I can't do it. Hi, Bol. That's my best friend. Bas, video nahi dikh rahi thi. Bye. So I'm gonna use this, but it doesn't have the color. I messed it up. I tried a million times. Sorry, I took a little break because I was very disappointed with myself. Because I can't do the second straw, man. Goddamn second straw. What if it turns out to be really ugly? Ha! I don't care. I won't post this video then.